Hello everybody, it's me, I'm waving. Hello, it's me, Miss Footbrick. So we have this wonderful toe. So there's pain there and then kind of pain here. And that's understandable, look at that, that's like literally cutting into the skin there. So it's very, very ram horny, and there might be some deformity on the nail bed itself. So I'm going to remove that. Sometimes you can hear like a cracking kind of noise. And this is done under local anesthetic. Just loosen that up. It's fantastic. And what I'm going to do is see if I can grab this. And then just rotate it in and out. And it comes off very, very easily because it's so solid. So when you get like really thin nails, sometimes it's really hard to remove it. And a nice, clean nail bed. Amazing. Look at that. You feel
Yeah,
good?
that looks so much better.
Yeah. So, and then if you look underneath, so no growth on the nail bed, which is great, but I think this is just all your like debris and fungus. So we should really test this for fungus. So you can see, is that okay, Stephanie? Like all that debris, possibly fungus or just hyperkeratosis tissue. So, and you can see the nail bed is nice and clear. So wait and see what happens. And I'm really, really happy. So easily to come off. It's like, voila! Once you do a couple of those, it's just second nature. It's like doing a poo. Obviously, way more comfortable. This is way more comfortable than doing a poo. Right? I'm just gonna take over this skin. Skin is just very fragile. Stephanie, can I have a nipper, please? I'm just going to cut all of this away. I'm going to tear it too much. And like I said, I'm not going to fiddle around with the nail root too much. Don't want to introduce a bone infection. That's fine a little bit. So I'm just going to remove this tissue. I don't want to pull it too much. Okay. So happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it doesn't seem like there will be too much drama. So hopefully recovery will be quite quick. Just gonna have a look at this. And without the nail plate, hopefully this bit will flatten down, but I'm not gonna do too much to it because your healing is a bit slow. That's it. That's all done. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the tunickel. Cut off time. Breathing is slowly returning, which is great. That's what we want, so that it can heal. Thank you. Well, sister can come and pick you up now. She can take her time. We've got loads of time. Yeah, it's like, oh, well, that was quick.